All right, and welcome back. We're gonna get to the forecast now, like Mark wants. 72 degrees was our high today. 61 being our normal high, and 58 for a low. So we were far above 39, but we didn't set any records today. We picked up a little bit of precipitation. We're still sitting nearly 2 inches though below where we should be this time of year. Probably add to that as we get a little bit of moisture moving into the area. Pretty big cold front on off to our north into our west. This is a bunch of moisture now that's just streaming basically across Arkansas into Tennessee. That will get here. It's going to be a lot less intense as it gets here, though. Some places in Little Rock and up near Jackson, Tennessee, are looking at anywhere from 3 to 4 inches of rain. Yeah, we're not looking at that much by any means. Check it out on water vapor, though. There's the front. You can see a pretty sharp decrease in water vapor or moisture. You got dry air behind it. What's happening is we have a trough, an upper level trough that's several thousand feet above the ground, tens of thousands really, and it's giving us a southwesterly flow, and then you have a high pressure on off to the east of Florida, and that's where you kind of got this clockwise spin right here, and it just kind of in between, it just pulls up a lot of moisture. This is actually a lot of this is coming from the Pacific Ocean. Pretty cool to see that. Tonight's forecast, cloudy, a few showers and warm, 63 degrees. The winds will be out of the south, 5 to 10 miles per hour. How about your Tuesday? Yeah, rain and thunderstorms across the area, cooler weather behind it. Though we're not talking Arctic air, I have to preface it with that because anytime somebody hears a cold front, after what we experienced, we think, oh, we're going to drop below freezing overnight. We're not looking at that, so don't worry. But we are looking at some cooler temperatures and some rain and thunderstorms along with it. For tomorrow, yeah, we'll be a little bit cooler. We'll be in the mid-60s across the area. The winds will start out of the south, shifting to out of the west, eventually out of the northwest once that cold front moves on through. 5-10 miles per hour. That will be picking up 10 to 15. We're going to have gusts upwards of probably 20 to 25 miles per hour. So be aware of that. This 5-10 mile per hour will not last that long. So it's going to be a pretty bad hair day all around, rain and thunderstorms. Again, we'll check it out on future radar. Clouds increasing throughout the morning, and yeah, by the early morning hours, going to have this line moving on through. And hopefully by the afternoon, we'll start to see a little bit of sunshine, mainly on off to the west of Hattiesburg, near Brookhaven, but some of us could see some sunshine. That would be pretty nice. Next 5 days, we're only talking about a quarter to a half inch of rain. Although I think with this moving through in the latest data, we're probably going to see some places out here that could see 3/4 to an inch of rain along with this system. Just depends on where the heavier cells set up. So be aware of that. Late this week, a little dip in the jet stream, still have another chance of rain. So we've got several rounds of this. All right, your weather brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. And here we go. 65 for your Tuesday, rain and thunderstorms overnight, lows above freezing, 36. 64 for your Wednesday, plenty of sunshine. And then clouds increase on your Thursday, 70 degrees because Friday, occasional rain, more thunderstorms. 76 for a high. Another cold front moves on through, dropping our highs back to the 60s for your weekend. Although let's be honest here, Saturday and Sunday look pretty nice. 72 degrees and partly sunny skies. We will take that. And then another little cold front moves on through Monday morning and drops us into the lower 60s for highs on Monday with rain and more drizzle possible. But the big story there is your weekend is looking nice. So get out and enjoy it and take your umbrella until that time.